Welcome to Week in the Workshop May edition. After Phillip Island we had the fuel pressure regulator failure, so you'll see in this video that the old fuel pressure regulator, we drilled it out and pulled it apart to diagnose and try and find out what the issue was, and we found a tear in the diaphragm. So you'll see a picture of that, and other than that, there wasn't much work to do to the car, so it gave us an opportunity to get cracking and starting on HMO3. So just following our program, we want to try and get that chassis up to caged and painted, ready for a fit out for next year. So I've got a bit of work to do, but we can take our time with this chassis too, so it's not a rush like HMO2. So we'll certainly make a lot more improvements on this chassis going forward. So sit back, enjoy the episode. It's only a short one. Like I said, we didn't do much work, so get the car ready for Sandown, ready for the next round, see how we go.